Sending money from Yoursafe to a Wise account is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through it. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account with Wise. Visit the Wise website or download the app from your app store to sign up. Once your Wise account is created, which may involve identity verification and linking your bank account, obtain the recipient's Wise account details. This includes their name, email address associated with their Wise account, and their Wise account number. Log into your Wise account and initiate a new transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send and select the currency. Provide the recipient's Wise account details, including their name and email address. Choose the payment method to fund the transfer, which could be a bank transfer from Yoursafe to your Wise account, or using a debit credit card. Navigate to the section of the app or website where you can manage your tickets, labeled as My Tickets. Or similar, select the tickets you transferred from the MLB Ballpark app and set the selling price. Enter the recipient's Wise account details again and choose the payment method for the transfer. This could be a bank transfer from Yoursafe to your Wise account or using a debit credit card.